Hello, my name is Natasha Zupansky, and I worked with Nicholas Largent on our web app, Smart. Smart is a customizable calendar app that we created to help us better visualize tasks and events throughout time, aiding us in time management with its calculations of how long a task is set to take. Beyond being a basic calendar app, it has increased customizability with tags and categories able to be specified by the user, as well as background images. Users are first prompted with the login page, where they can log in using Google, email, their phone, or Rosefire. And thus they're presented with the home page. You can go back to the detail view. The user starts from here using Smart on the home page, and just like that, it disappears from our calendar. The 3rd or 4-month view. Here we can see the selected day in each month being highlighted in white, and under the days 17, 18, and 19 in January, we see a small dot. Toggling from the 3rd view to the month view, we see that these dots were indeed events. On the 3rd view, or the 4-month view, these are displayed as dots because of the lack of space. On the month view, we can then see these events in slightly more detail, and transitioning to the week view, even more detail. On the side, we have a key and a list of upcoming events that are retractable. And next to these, we see 2 dots or tags that are represented by colors. These colors then sustained throughout all representations of the events. This particular event is a reading homework, and we can see that it's a homework because it has the tag color for homework, and we can see that it's a homework for the category or the class CSSE 280 because it has this purplish color. Transitioning back to the week view, we can then click on any of these events and go to a more detailed view of the event. From here, we can see the specific time as well as the description and the list of tags that are on it, with the key displayed on the side for convenience. We can then from here edit it, and we can update this, and it works automatically. Going back to the home page view, and then we can add an event. We'll call this video, and then add the tag of homework as well. And adding this event, we can see it once more appear, this time as a single dot in February. Clicking in here and going into the month, and then going into the week view. So now let's say the user wants to change this background image. They can click on the icon here, and it prompts them to find an image URL. I like this one. It's got nice colors. And we'll add it in, and voila, the background is changed. One technical aspect of our project not covered by the class was our extensive use of the JavaScript date object. We use these objects to calculate the time between the start and end of an event, to determine where an event should be placed, as well as to build the 3rd or 4-month view, the month view, and the week view from scratch to be responsive and accurate to changing dates. The date object gave us the specifics we needed about a certain date, such as which weekday it was on, or its millisecond equivalent since the 1970s, to make these aspects of our web app possible. Additionally, the flexibility it allowed us in changing date values helped simplify and condense our code.